So the one skill that most people think is pretty intimidating is soldering. So I'm just going to show you a quick little way to get the job done. You always want to clean your oxidization off of your copper pipe. Safety gloves, of course. This is sandpaper. Get your fittings and a cleaning brush, clean the inside of your fittings. You want to get your flux, which is basically the adhesive to help weld the two together and kill any chemicals off. Your flux brush. Kind of just want to paint it on there. See how you can kind of see it. It's like that liquid. And then also, so outside of the pipe and then inside of the fittings. Once that's completed, pipe slips into the fitting, as you can kind of see. And then we're going to go ahead and solder it up. Get your hot gas, torch head, all together. And your solder. This is basically the piece of metal that bonds the two together. All right. I'm a lone wolf, so gotta use things to help me solder. I always get some pipe wrenches to hold my copper pipe. Turn on your MAP gas. Let it heat up. Once it's hot enough, the solder will take. Just like that. And you only need the amount of solder of the size of the pipe. So this is 3/4 pipe, so you only need about 3/4, which is probably about that much for your copper pipe. And that's how you guys sweat pipe. Not that hard of a skilled task to do. Thanks for watching.